Alrighty guys, Calvin back here with you. So today we're just going to talk about my truck. 93 Ford Ranger, 4x4, push button, you know, electronic, blah 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 blah. 4x4, so yeah. It's the V6.3 or 4.0 liter engine. It's pretty fast. I think it's pretty quick. Especially with a little shot of nitrous. But yeah, so show you guys the truck here in a second as soon as I get around to the other side. Alrighty, so here's the truck. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it goes fast and I like it a lot. Like it's got its brand new tires on here. Those are pretty deep. Yeah. So it's a shock. Everything looked good like that. It needs to be washed. In the pictures in this video, it doesn't really look like it needs to be washed, but like once you get closer and closer, you can really see that it needs to be washed. But yeah, there's backside, same tires, everything. Right there's down in there, shock, axle. No rust until right there. Yeah. Yep. No rust in the cab corners. Just pretty clean truck. Like it a lot. Drives nice. Drives great. So, yeah. Here's the other side. It does have a cracked windshield, but oh well. Like I said, no rust. No rust. A little bit down there in the cab corner, but not much. Just a little right there. This is probably the worst part. But other than that, got a different colored tailgate. Just because the other one's messed up. Spare tire doesn't sit in the bottom for some reason. Ramps, just in case. These are, don't ask about these. They're just lights that never worked. But rear sliding door. Open it up for you. Manual windows, manual locks. Right there's 27,000 miles so far. I don't know if that's 127, 227, but because it doesn't go over into the other digits, you know. Roof's kind of tore up just a little bit, but not much. And then everything else. I got my pencils, all my change, stick, push button, Pioneer, no, not Pioneer, this is a dual radio, and then all that good stuff, my helmet, water bottle, because I stay thirsty, back here, got the amp, Pioneer 6x9s, oil thing to fill up my oil, all that good stuff, and then a little bit of nitrous down there. But yeah, and the kitty joins. But that's that side. We'll go to the other side. So need to get, if anyone else has a Ranger, tell me what size of light bar they put up here or on top, because I'm having troubles figuring out what kind of size light bar I want, or anything else, or how you make your lights brighter, because they are, on mine, it's horrible at night. But cat's just chilling in there because it got locked in there. Yeah, this is the other side, like I said, no rust. It's a great truck. I wish that cat wasn't in here. There's no book bag, helmet, toolbox. Flip this forward. Same Pioneer on this side. 10-inch kicker sub, jack, and the amp, all that good stuff. So, yep, there's that kitty, and I think that's about it. Really nothing else to show. So, I'll show you guys my Yamaha Banshee here in a second. But Alrighty guys, so in here in the barn, walking, all that good stuff. Still walking, and then this piece is absolutely filthy, so don't give me crap about it down in the comments, just because it hasn't been washed in forever. But yeah, like I said, Yamaha Banshee. It's bored over to 390, so it's 0.65 thousandths over. Nerf bars, brand new tires on the back. This camera doesn't do it justice, but brand new tires. The fronts are kind of worn, but they're still going, working pretty good. Stock shocks. If anyone's got any advice for shock upgrades besides Elka's, because I do not want to spend $1,000 on new shocks. And if anyone else has any other recommendations for shocks, then go ahead and put it down below in the comments. It's got an oversized radiator up front, you know, stock headlights, ignition delete, new grips, pro taper, I believe. Yeah, it won't focus, but pro taper, graphics kit. FMF pipes all the way back from the front. I redid the carrier bearing in here when I bought it. It's got an aftermarket chain. Powder coated hubs, yellow, Nerf bars, and I think that's about it. So I'm gonna start it up for you guys. Hopefully you guys can hear it, or not. Hopefully I can get a good shot. It's just coming off my phone. So, yeah, there we go. Now this hasn't been started since Sunday. Legit, has not been started since Sunday. Just because that was the last time I wrote it. So we're gonna go ahead, give her a nice cold start. It's not really cold in here, but it is noticeably cold in here. So get to it. Alright. Kill switch, choke, fuel. Give her a couple kicks. Runs great for me. Like that was like really, like I gave it a pre-kick, like, you know, you go really slow, just get the piston top dead center, and you give it a nice snap, and then it'll fire up. But yeah, that was pretty much, I'd say first kick, maybe second kick if you take it technically, but yeah, this thing runs great. Never had any problems with it. But yeah. So now my garage is all nice and foggy, just some old tires, and yeah, if anybody wants some ATV tires, some right here. These are 20 by 11 by 10, right there. Sorry, it won't focus, but here's the bolt pad. I have no clue what the bolt pattern is, so don't ask me. They do not fit a 400EX though, that is for sure. We tried it on a buddy of mine, and they didn't fit, so make an offer. It's got pretty decent tread. I wish I had a coin to show you, but decent tread for at least another 4 months of riding. One of these tires, I don't know which one it is, but has the inflator, gosh, I can't think of it. The inflator tip fell in, so all you gotta do is dismount it, and then get that tip and put it back in. But other than that, right here's my Yamaha Exciter. It's a 78, I believe, 78 or 79, 440 runs great. I don't have any problems with it. And this boat project right here is stay tuned, and hopefully there'll be more videos on it. It doesn't run right now, so we're trying to get it to run. So hopefully there'll be more videos on that. So yeah, California right here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get back to you on the next one. Have a good night. Have a good day. See ya.